when we say God, it's like a perfect being. So, God nga siya. So,
Being siya.
I would say it's perfect.
Sino may gawa sa Diyos?
All right, that's a good question. We Christians, we really know theology and philosophy. Believes that um, God is not a created thing. Sinabi niya sa Bible na Alpha and Omega. So, basically, when you say an eternal being, it doesn't only mean endless eh. Hindi lang siya endless, but also beginningless. See, everything that's created is bound by time. Yung mga lahat na nakikita mo ngayon, ng creation, nakikita mo ngayon, they're all bound by time. And since God created time, space, and matter, then He's outside of it. He's beyond time. He's not a created being. It's His existence itself. And he doesn't flow with time. Let's say yung
Mm.
electric fan, pre. Let's say yung electric fan. Yung gumawa ba ng electric fan, umiikot kasama yung electric fan? Hindi, di ba? So he's outside. He's not
Mm.
affected by his
How did you
creation.
know? How did you know,
How,
Aaron?
how did I know? I
Ah.
mean, that's the logical perspective on a creationist television, yung nangyayari yun. Hindi. I mean, ilabas natin yung concept ng God. We're just talking about a creation itself. Pag gumawa ka ba ng trabaho mo sa computer mo, nandun ka sa loob ng PC, ginagawa yun. Wala ka dun sa computer. Nasa labas ka nun. You're outside and unaffected of your creation. So,
It's
yun yung
simulation
parang...
theory.
Um, actually, yung simulation theory, I would agree with that. Kasi, yung... If we are programmed, I mean, if everything that we see today is a program, then there's like an engineer. Uh, if you seen yung Matrix, I think that's a really good depiction. Medyo nagdo-draw din ako sa mga literature and books na mga nababasa ko. Yung scene, you should watch that clip. Yung si Neo is nakilala niyo engineer. So he's basically know everything. Pinakita niya yung mga possible scenarios for that particular scenario. So that's pretty much how he sees things eh. When you say all-knowing eh. So sinasabi na, I mean, that's a different argument, yung free will and stuff. So, yun lang. I mean, yung sa broccoli page, natutuwa ako kasi you guys are trying to find the truth. Pero, kasi, agree naman ako dun sa mga sinasabing ng mga failures ng members. But again, don't really expect for a perfect church because yung members nga niya isn't perfect. And kung may magtatanong sa akin kung paano siya naging outside creation, well, um, that's the only way that I can explain it. But then again, I'll be faced with the sorry, categorical argument. Eh. So
Uh,
if if God is true, if God is true, and I'm just a mere human being, I'm just smaller than the speck of dust compared to God, then I don't have the capacity to fully understand what's going on and how God functions. Kasi I can only understand some of his attributes, but then again, 100 billion terabyte or in infinite megabyte, and I'm just a mere human being that's only able to process an 8 gig of RAM. So basically, yung hardware ko and yung capacity ko isn't enough to comprehend yung totality ng God itself. I don't have the capacity to do that. So I can only explain it on a philosophical and logical sense, but I can't fully understand it because I'm not on his level.
Okay. Kasi yun ang palagi kong tanong eh. How sure are you? Kasi
How's your
affected ka rin ng mga nabasa mo, napakinggan mo, everything around you, mga pictures, mga images na nakita mo. That's why you concluded na may Diyos, may gawa niyan lahat. So, it's not your original idea. We're all assuming, for me we're all assuming, we don't really know. We're not sure.
Yeah, parang ano hindi talaga natin alam particularly na if there is a God. Because tayong mga tao, we depend on what we see, what we touch. But for me, I know there's a God because it's just for me na I can feel it deep inside. It's like para tayong mga this is just a wonders opinion. Minsan nag-iisip ka, napapaisip ka lang. Minsan pag habang nag-iossi ka, minom ng kape. Para tayong vessel ng mga thoughts. Para yan yung spirit natin o yung soul. Kasi parang when we come in conscious, parang nagkaroon na tayo ng consciousness dito sa mundo, up until the end na mamatay tayo, yung pa rin yun wala nababago doon. It's just the feeling. Yung katawan natin nagde-deteriorate, nanghihina, nagkakasakit. But still, yung isip na nagiging still sharp, naiintindihan natin yung pain, naiintindihan natin yung sitwasyon. But there is a feeling na, for me, that God is present always. I really don't know how to explain it. I really don't know where he came from. If you will base it on the Bible, there is no particular verse or chapter that na pwedeng sabihin na, dito galing siya. Siguro naman, kung siya ang Diyos, wala naman siya siguro sa bakit niya pa sasabihin kung siya nanggaling Pero, di ba, para bang, teka, dito ako galing, baka magtanong kayo, parang ganon. Pero, in any sense of the matter, I think meron naman siguro tayong right in a way, para malaman natin kung saan siya galing, paano siya kung talagang nandyan siya, whatsoever. Pero for me, I can feel him. Meron mga times sa buhay ko na kinakailangan ko siya na sumasagot siya in a way of relieving my problems and pains. And that's all I can say about it. Church, hindi sa akin nakatulong ang church Catholic Church, MCGI, Iglesia ni Cristo, wala Siguro talaga if you do good to others, others will help you. Maybe that's a way of God telling us na He exists. Yeah, that's what I know. But in the end, we cannot sure that it is the truth of everything.
Yes.
Anyway, thank you, Brox.
Yes, feelings, siyempre, we cannot invalidate feelings, no? Pero minsan, feelings can be deceiving, Minsan, nakatabi mo lang yung babae.
Definitely.
Kala mo, may gusto na sa'yo. So, sige. Let's,
Di ikaw tingin.
di ba? Hindi komot na ramdaman mo, totoo na Depende pa rin. But, it's your feeling, so we cannot invalidate.
Yeah.
Sige, gusto kong puntahan yung timeless Guys, kayo ba? Medyo mahaba tong to. Kasi for you to be able to do something or take action on something, kailangan may exact moment. God created the universe. When was it? Pag wala ka masabing exact moment, hindi yun nangyari. Kailangan may time. Pag timeless, it's like saying, it never happened. Pwede sabihin, we don't know. There should be time for sure. It's just that we don't know when. Pero pag timeless kasi, parang hindi siya mag-e-exist Kailangan may
Brox, ito naman sa akin, Brox, ang ko dyan, parang devil's advocate naman yung ko. Yung time kasi dito lang siya sa Earth eh. Parang yun ang ano ko dun eh.
Tama.
Paglabas mo ng Earth,
Hindi, kung sige.
isang ano na lang siya, isang panahon lang siya eh, na ma-detect kaya ang hirap eh. Kahit ako naguluhan ako sa ano ko eh.
Mag-iiba yung
Kunyari,
time,
bro.
pero may time pa rin.
Oo nga eh, ganun pa rin lalabas.
Kunyari bro, may time, kunyari, if you, okay, let's base it sa literature, pre. Si, uh, si J.K. Rowling ba, nung sinulat niya yung Harry Potter, pre, siya yung nag-set ng time. Siya ang nag-set ng simula. Pero outside siya ng creation niya. When you write a book in general, like ito, yung binabasa ko ngayon, Crime and Punishment. So, siya yung nagsiset ng time. Pero outside siya dun sa time na yon. When you tsaka pag
Correct.
timeless, pag sinabi mong timeless, bro, kasi yung time kasi is something, kunyari, hinalin tulad ko siya sa LC nung electric fan. Hindi naman siya kasama, yung LC, piraso lang siya nung ano eh. Kasi kailangan time, ginawa niya, yung reality, ginawa niya ng time, space, and matter. Time determines when, matter determines where, time, space, matter. Matter is somehow related din sa location niya. May explanation dun eh. Sorry. Kalimutan ko na. Pero outside siya dun, bro. Kasi parang ang we can only comprehend is for it to happen, there should be time. But you're only viewing it on a character of a book inside the book perspective eh. Nandun ka sa loob ng libro.
Yes, oo. But time per se, nung sinulat ni J.K. Rowling, may time siya, no? May moment when it was written. Pero yung mga
Tol,
fictional characters doon, they don't know. Fiction nga yun eh. Pero yung time na sinulat niya yun, bound siya ng time.
bound siya ng time kasi nasa ano pa rin siya kasi ang tinitingnan mong perspective, bro, is yung nagbasa ka ng ano, nasa outside ka, nasa same world ka
Yes,
ni
oo.
J.K. Rowling, bro. Pero wala kang ano, wala ka dun sa perspective nila Harry Potter na nasa loob ng story.
Yes. So may time pa
Nakikita
rin.
mo
It's
siya.
just that they don't know. So as humans, we don't know. So kaya nga ako palaging I don't know eh. I cannot know for sure. Pag definite kasi na kasi yan timeless yan. How sure are you? May time yon. It's just that hindi natin arok. So,
Oo,
pag
I would agree.
ngayon, when you say na sakop siya ng time, diyan naman lalabas when did he exist? Yun ang problema. Sino may gawa sa kanya ngayon?
Hindi kasi siya created being, bro. So, yung the way yung mga Christian theologians, and based on my understanding, is he's the existence itself. So before everything happens sa earth, nandun na siya. He is mere existence. And for me to be able, for me explaining you how did that happen, I honestly don't know. Because I don't have the
Yun.
capacity. I don't have the hardware. Maybe may nag-create sa kanya. Pero, one thing is for sure, na parang yung simulation na to, tong existence na to, may nag-create outside of this reality. So, hindi natin
Yun,
alam,
okay,
baka may
okay.
sinabi sa Bible, na-create siya or what. Pero, sabi sa Bible, He is mere existence. He's the Alpha and Omega. So,
Yes.
yun lang yung perspective ko. I'm totally good with you saying na hindi mo alam. Ako, hindi ko na alam. Kasi I can't comprehend God eh. I'm just, pwede ko lang siya maintindihan on a 2 megabyte level eh. Pero i-compare ko with all the engineering, with all the science and all that here in this existence. Walang-wala ako, hindi ko siya mai-explain. I don't have the hardware, I don't have the capacity to understand him. And same goes with the things that's happening to our lives. Yung mga kasamaan ng tao, kasamaan ng church, mga masamang treatment sa atin. for someone that believes in God, it doesn't really have an effect whether God exists or not. These are just people being people. And it actually fortifies yung belief ko na we're in a fallen world. Men are, the way I see it, based sa Bible,
Mm-mm. Yes, yes.
humans
Okay.
are humans have the propensity for evil, but has the capacity for good as well. So it's all about choices, whether we're gonna be choosing good or bad.
Yep. Okay, may